How to install Kapigro kitchen waste digester. Find a suitable place in your garden or backyard to install the digester. While selecting the place, consider the following. Choose a location where proper drainage into the soil takes place, at least 2 meters away from an open well and away from coconut or other trees to prevent fruits or branches from falling onto the digester. Dig a 5-inch deep pit in the chosen area, matching the base size of the digester. Spread a 1-inch layer of gravel at the bottom of the pit to enhance drainage. Now set the digester vertically in the pit, making sure it stands straight. Once the digester is in place, fill the space around it with soil and compact it gently. Lay a ring of bricks around the digester to protect it from rodents disturbing the soil.